Hi, I'm Robin Black, Sisley's new artist in residence. So going into this residency, I am really excited to share the content with you guys. I wanted to do looks that suited my own lifestyle, which is very much makeup and go. I don't like 100 steps. I do like simple, easy products that have amazing textures, great performance, and I hope to share that with you guys, but I also want to inspire you and push you to use colors and placements that maybe you thought, oh, that wasn't for me. You can wear everything. Blue eyeliner, purple eyeliner, green eyeliner, orange lipstick, all the things that you thought were taboo, you can wear those colors. It's just about adjusting it to your personal features and tastes. So I'm really hoping that I'll share some knowledge, some expert insider tips and tricks because I've been painting faces for almost 20 years. But at the same time, I'd love to push you to get inspired, to step outside your box and to really try something fun. Because makeup is the least risky thing you'll ever try. If you don't like it, it washes off.